Opening scene. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to make money from money. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video is packed with tips and strategies to help you grow your wealth. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand the concept of making money from money. Essentially, it means using your existing money to generate more income through various investment avenues. Now, we'll explore some of the most effective ways to do this. Segment 1. Stock Market Investments. Host. One of the most popular ways to make money from money is by investing in the stock market. Stocks represent shares of ownership in a company, and when you invest in them, you can benefit from the company's growth. Here are a few tips for stock market investments. 1. Do your research. Understand the companies you're investing in, their financial health, and market trends. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different sectors to reduce risk. 3. Stay updated. Keep an eye on market news and trends to make informed decisions. Remember, stock market investments come with risks, so it's important to invest wisely and not put all your money into one stock. Segment 2. Real estate investments. Another excellent way to make money from money is through real estate investments. Real estate can provide both passive income and long-term appreciation. Here's how you can get started. First, buy rental properties. Invest in properties that you can rent out to generate a steady income stream. Second, consider real estate investment trusts or REITs. If buying property isn't for you, REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. And third, flipping houses. Buy properties that need renovation, improve them, and sell them at a profit. Real estate can be a stable investment, but it requires careful planning and management. Segment 3. Mutual funds and ETFs. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are great options for those who want to invest without picking individual stocks. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. The benefits include: first, diversification. Spread your investment across a wide range of assets. Second, professional management. Funds are managed by professional portfolio managers. And third, accessibility. They are easy to buy and sell, just like stocks. Mutual funds and ETFs are ideal for long-term investors looking for a balanced approach. For those who prefer lower-risk investments, bonds and fixed deposits are worth considering. These options provide a fixed return over a specified period. Here's what you need to know. 1. Generally safe investments with fixed interest rates. 2. Higher returns than government bonds but come with slightly more risk. 3. Offered by banks, FDs provide guaranteed returns over a set term. While the returns may be lower than stocks or real estate, bonds and FDs are stable and secure. One of the most rewarding ways to make money from money is by starting your own business. Whether it's a small local business or an online venture, entrepreneurship can lead to significant financial growth. Steps to get started. 1. Find a market need and create a business plan. 2. Use your money to acquire skills, knowledge, and resources. 3. Reinvest profits to grow and expand your business. Running a business requires hard work and dedication, but the potential rewards are immense. So, there you have it. Several effective ways to make money from money. Remember, the key is to start with a plan, do your research, and diversify your investments. Whether you choose stocks, real estate, mutual funds, bonds, or starting your own business, the goal is to make your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. Let us know in the comments which investment strategy you're most excited about, and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.